Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. If you watched my recent video with my PandaHall unboxing, you would have seen all of these products here before you. And I am going to do a tutorial today showing you the very simple way to make pens. So I've done a few up, and I'm just going to bring them here to show you, and then show you how easy it is to put these together. So it's as simple as taking the top off, selecting your decorations, and then putting the top back on. How much easier can that be? But this whole kit came together. This is another example of one just trying to play off of the colors that were in the rainbow to match the red, orange, and purple. But my daughter actually made this one. I made a similar one here, and I just changed up those two center beads. I also brought in some materials from my stash, and I created this beautiful sparkly pen. These beads I got in a recent order from BB Craft, and they are really quite beautiful. And the whole thing that I wanted to do was actually to create a pen that matches with this gift. And I was thinking definitely this pen would be complimentary for this notebook. I have made this little notebook for a friend of mine for their birthday, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to pair it with a pen. And there's just some pages in here divided by some scrapbook papers. There's like some decorative designs on both the front cover and the back. And then that's the back there. This beautiful dangle hanging off the side. And so yeah, I wanted something that wouldn't compete with all of the products that are already highlighted here, and I thought that something simple like this as a gift might look nice. I'm going to show you something interesting my daughter came up with when she was creating her pen. So if you noticed the keychains that were sitting here as well, that came in the unboxing, she has actually hooked them in to her pen here. And the interesting thing that she discovered really was that it's actually a very clever way to gift a pen to someone, or even clip it onto a backpack or whatnot. So you could definitely, if you wanted to attach the gift, put it on the side like that by clipping it to those coil bindings. So that's a neat idea. And we're going to make one today, and I actually even tried using these stars right on here as well, which also worked. And yeah, so let's just make one. So the key is the contraption here will come out both of the base and the top, so you really have to make an effort to hold this metal part still while you take off that part there. And then the best thing to do is to pick your rainbow so that you can match the colors of the rainbow. And I like these two pinks, the top of the rainbow and that match really well. So what can we tie in here that is also in the rainbow? So we've got this blue that's also in the rainbow. We have a yellow, but it's not exactly the right yellow. That's pretty close. So you can start with one color, add your spacer. These add a really nice sparkle. Add your next color and another spacer. Your rainbow, your last spacer. And the biggest trick to these is definitely finding the exact right number of combinations of beads so that it goes on tight and doesn't flop around at all. So you just keep turning until you've got it as tight as it will go. So that's good. That's on there nicely. And there you have it. The pen is done, and it's a great little gift to put in alongside of a notebook if you were making someone a junk journal, or giving them a planner, or just even the pen on its own. It's just really cute if you're making like loot bags, all kinds of things, or if you wanted to have a craft at a birthday party. We're quite often having children's birthday parties, and what an easy craft to do. You get to still be creative because you could provide them with all kinds of additional beads to work with, like I have pulled in some other ones here, and you could really get creative with the color choices and everything. But that's what they look like. So thank you so much for watching. I will leave links down below. It was a really good price for all of the products, and that will be linked. They often have good sales, as well as I have a discount code that you can get an additional savings on your offer. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.